Hello CFA aspirants. So in this video, I will show you how you can do the million, billion, trillion calculation. I have seen, many students gets confused. They do not, able to convert a million figure into billion figure or billion figure into trillion figure. So especially, this problem happen when we do measures of leverages questions. Okay, so corporate finance topic, measures of leverages. So there, students faced this problem which I have seen. So let's try to understand how we can do the calculations of million, billion, trillion, and how to convert million figure into a billion figure and billion figure into a trillion figure. So let's first start with million. Okay, this is very easy. Million सबको पता होगा, I'm sure. So 1 million, okay, 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. Now you can note down in 10 lakhs, okay, we have total 6 zeros. So I can say, a million figure includes how many zeros? Total 6. So 3 zeros and these 3 zeros. So you need to remember this. A million figure, okay, a million figure includes total of 6 zeros. So 1 million equals to 10 lakhs and it will have total 6 zeros. Now let's talk about 1 billion. So in order to write, 1 billion, what we will do, we will add 3 more zeros. Okay, we already know 1 billion have total how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 3 and 3 more, this is 1 billion. Now when you add 3 more zeros, okay, this will become 1 billion. Okay, so you can read this as 1 billion. So billion figure will have total how many zeros? 9 zeros. Okay, 1 billion will have total how many zeros? 9. Now let's convert. Okay, now let's convert this billion into million. So as I told you, 1 billion will have total 6 zeros. So 3 and 3. Okay, these are total 6 zeros. So you can read this as million. So I can say 1 billion is equal to 1000 million because this is 1000 figure. Okay, and these 6 zeros indicates million. So 1 billion equal to 1000 million. Okay, now let's move to trillion. But before that, I want to show you how you can read billion figure into crores. Okay, you can also convert this into crores. So let me write down once again for you. A billion figure will include how many zeros total? 9. Now in 1 CR, okay, in 1 crore, we have total how many zeros? 7. So 3 and 3, total 6 and 1 more, 7. So I can say 1 billion is equal to 100 crore because the balancing figure is 100 over here and these 7 zeros stand for CR. Okay, so 1 billion is equal to 1000 million, or you can say 1 billion is equal to 100 crore. Now let's move to 1 trillion. Okay, so a billion figure will have total how many zeros? 9. When you add 3 more zeros, okay, it will be called as 1 trillion. So 3, okay, 3 more, this is million. Okay, if I add 3 more, this is billion, 1 billion. Now when I add 3 more zeros, okay, it will be 1 trillion. Okay, so you need to remember this. 1 trillion will have total 12 zeros. Now let's read this 1 trillion into a billion. Okay, let's convert this trillion figure into a billion figure. So remember what I told you. Billion will have total 9 zeros. So 3 and 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So this you can read as billion. So I can say 1 trillion, okay, is equal to 1000 million. Okay, 1 trillion is equal to 1000 billion. You can read in this way. Now let's calculate into crore. Okay, I want every one of you, okay, who are watching this video, now try to convert, okay, this into crore. Okay, try to convert this 1 trillion figure into crores and give your answer in comment box. Okay, आप comment box में type कीजिए अपना answer. So whoever give correct answer, I will give you the CFA level 1 premium content of measures of leverages topic. Okay, completely free to you. So you can comment your answer. Whoever give correct answer, each and every CFA candidate will give, I will give premium content of my measures of leverages topic, which will include curriculum examples, explanation, end of chapters explanation. So you can convert this figure and type in chat box. Let me see. And also mention your email ID so that I can contact with you for my premium content if your answer is correct. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys. You can convert 1 trillion figure into crores and type in chat box. Now let's look at this problem. Okay, this is from measures of leverages. So here you can see in this data we need to calculate operating leverage, but my focus will be on how we can convert million figure into billion figure or billion figure into million figure. So that's why I have designed this example for you. So here you can see in this data, selling price per unit is 28,000. Variable cost per unit is given 20,500 and contribution per unit you can see it is 7,500. Now here you need to have some knowledge of operating leverage topic. So selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit, you will get contribution per unit. So 28,000 minus 20,500, you are getting 7,500 per unit as contribution. Now look at the number of units which firm manufacture. Here you can read total units manufactured by firm is 6 million and operating fixed cost is 15 billion. Now here is the major problems for students. Sales is given into million, you can see, and operating fixed cost are given into billion. So here the major problem happen. So that's why I have designed this million, billion, trillion calculation in this example. Now here we will see how we can convert a million figure into billion or billion figure into million. Both I will show you. Okay, so contribution per unit is given 7,500 per unit. So see, first you need to find out operating leverage. In order to find operating leverage, you need to know income statement format which start from sales. So sales minus variable cost contribution per unit. When you adjust operating fixed cost, you will get EBIT. And to calculate degree of operating leverage, the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. So selling price, you can see it is 28,000 per unit. Variable cost are 20,500 per unit. Therefore, contribution per unit is 7,500. Okay, so this 7,500, when you multiply this with 6 million, because total units manufactured by firms are 6 million. So 7,500 into 6 million. You can do this calculation. It will be 45,000 million. Okay, 7,500 into 6 million. Okay, it will be 45,000 million. When I am writing million, you need to understand here it will have total how many zeros? 6 more zeros. So 45,000. When I am saying million, so this means 6 more zeros we have to add. Now can you see how many total zeros we got? We got total 9 zeros. So what this indicate? Total 9 zeros means billion. So I can read this figure as 45 billion. Okay, 45,000 million is equal to 45 billion. Now look at the fixed cost. You can see fixed costs are 15 billion. So this is very simple. So from 45 billion, when you subtract or when you adjust 15 billion, you will get 30 billion. Okay, so operating fixed cost here will be 15 billion and EBIT. Okay, 45 minus 15, it will be 30 billion. Now you can apply the formula of operating leverage. Contribution, which is 45 billion, EBIT we got 30 billion. So we can do this calculation. 45 divided by 30, operating leverage will be 1.5. So this is how you can convert. So you can convert this if you have this knowledge. Million will have total 6 zeros, billion will have total 9, and trillion will have total 12 zeros. Okay, and I'm waiting for you. You need to tell me 1 trillion is equal to how many crores. That's it in this video.